I sing my way through life. I really do. I really sing my way through life.
The musical influence brewing in Jackson reaches far beyond the city limits. That's why this time, we're taking a quick road trip, an hour north to Paris, Tennessee. There, we met up with an up-and-comer on the verge of breaking through, Nikki Bobo, whose latest music video brings a message of encouragement during troubled times.
Just smile, pick yourself up, life's too short, be happy you're enough. Oh, just smile, pick yourself up, life's too short, be happy you're enough. Cause it's a new day, all your problems, wash them away. Cause it's a new day.
My name is Nikki Bobo, and I am from here in Paris, Tennessee. And I started singing professionally about 2 years ago. Day to day, I am a mom first. In between, I work here at a dental office, Fletcher Dental. Froggy 103, they do the Tennessee River Gym every year. I was an act for them, done shows at the Breakers out on the lake. Awesome place to do a show. I've done a show in Memphis and just here and there and in between. So I got into music at about probably the age of like 3 or 4. So as long as I can remember, and it just came from church, really. I sang in church up until I was an adult. That's the only place I sung. So we just grew up in a small country church in Cottage Grove, and me and my cousin sang in the choir. And my musical inspirations would be, well, I grew up on country. Shania Twain, Faith Hill, love all of them. Now as an adult, I have leaned toward, of course, Beyonce. She's my number one. And then Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston, power vocalist. Writing music, I thought would be the hardest thing for me to do. I just thought it would be super hard. So I never did it. And first I'll say Smile. One day I got that beat from someone and I paid for it and I sat on it for a week. I went home on my lunch break and wrote that song in 30 minutes from front to back. So I'm very proud of that song. I'm proud that I was capable of writing it. I would be lying if I said, I don't want to get rich and famous. Of course, that would be a nice plus, but I just want to continue doing it because it took me so long to get started on a dream that I've had since I can remember. I just want to keep doing it in whatever scale, a small scale, large scale, it doesn't matter. My goal is to just keep going, just keep going. So today we will be performing Smile, my second single that I wrote myself, and I'm very proud of it. Smile, it's a message to the world. I just want, during these stressful times, these times of uncertainty, I just want people to remember to smile through whatever you're going through. Just smile. Life is stressful, times get hard. You want to quit sometimes, but you can't. You got to keep smiling. So that's what Smile is for me. It's just a song of encouragement. To my supporters, I would say thank you for rocking with me through the good and the bad. Tell me it's gonna make me cry. I'm sorry. I would just say thank you for standing behind me and pushing me when I didn't know people were behind me pushing me. I had the best support system, from my kids to my mom to my boyfriend to my coworkers, my boss, to all of Paris. This town has really wrapped their arms around me. So to them, I would just say thank you. Thank you. It means the world. I do what I do because of them. Absolutely.